Thank you for that report, Wanjiku Wanjiro. The Law Society of Kenya has condemned the temporary orders issued by the High Court barring the government and its entities from procuring the services of private legal practitioners, terming it unconstitutional. As Ian Keitani files, the orders were granted after concerns were raised over high legal fees accrued and paid by government entities amounting to imprudent use of public resources.
It is an interim order pending hearing and determination given by Justice Mohochi Mukira after petitioners including Senator Okiya Omtatah and Dr. Gikenyi Magare challenged the constitutionality and prudence of government entities procuring the services of private legal practitioners despite having in-house qualified legal officers. Justice Mukira directed the Control of Budget not to approve funds for external legal services by public entities. In response to the orders, the Law Society of Kenya has Tuesday raised concerns over the interim orders, maintaining that it is blanket condemnation on the profession.
We register our concern over this outright misunderstanding and mischaracterization of the work advocates undertake in the favor of public entities. For the avoidance of doubt, the retention of external legal counsel follows a strict, rigorous and competitive procurement process.
LSK also rubbished claims of high legal fees, noting that the process is guided by law.
Legal fees payable to advocates are neither illusory nor legally indeterminate. Calculation of legal fees is a statutory regulated mathematical process that is both traceable in law and subject to good faith negotiations with and assessment by the relevant public entities. In any event where fees are indeterminate or no consensus is arrived upon, the same are subject to taxation by the courts, a process well anchored in law.
While blasting the judiciary, the council has filed a petition against the ruling, which they claim is a direct affront on the livelihoods of lawyers in the country.
We are noticing the growing trend of judicial impunity that we're seeing in this country.
We have since filed an application seeking to review and set aside the ex parte conservatory orders issued by the Honorable Mr. Justice Mohochi Mukira.
However, Dr. Gikenyi Magare has downplayed claims of malice, insisting that the petition is in good faith and in a bid to ensure prudent use of public resources.
The hiring of external lawyers, when we have already employed county attorneys, state council, among others, is imprudent use of financial resources.
Ian Keitani, KTN, Nairobi.
Well, Ian Keitani's story there brings us to a short break. When we return, Kelly Boss, by the way, is back, and he'll be bringing you news from the world of business. So stay tuned and don't go too far.